E te iwi kia ora. Ko Shā toku ingoa. I am a mokopuna of Koro Mark and Nanny P. Gray. As you will know, we are about to sign the deed of settlement Rukatia Tamana for Ngāti Rangi. I encourage you to come home and experience this momentous occasion that has been going for many, many years. We are now at the stage where we will sign that deed of settlement Rukatia Tamana on Kororua Pehu. So I encourage you all, Ngāti Rangi Uri, to come home, to celebrate, to be a part of, to contribute, and to even see that momentous occasion, the historical moment for Ngāti Rangi, and also acknowledging all those that have gone before us, who started this journey, and we are at the important stage to now sign our deed of settlement. While the teams are still finalising the details, on Friday the 9th of March, we will be staying over at Ngāti Rangi accommodation, and transport will be taken from Ngāti Rangi on the morning of Saturday, March 10, up onto Kororua Pehu for the signing ceremony. We know there's many uri planning on returning home for this occasion, and I encourage you to RSVP. So Ngāti Rangi Uri, come on home to celebrate this occasion with us, and I look forward to seeing you on March the 10th on Kororua Pehu. Kia ora.